Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Knowledge In. Today we will see chapter first of ICI class 10 history book, the first war of independence. We will learn about first war of independence. The process of the British conquest of India, which began from the mid 18th century and the subsequent consolidation of the British rule, was resented by the Indian belonging to all the segment of Indian society. King, queen, peasants, landlord, travels and soldiers. Hardly a year passed before 1857 without some parts of the country of the other rising in revolt against the politics and actions of the British that harmed their interest or went against their sentiments. However, these rebellions were local, scattered, and isolated. They did not pose a serious threat to the British. Nathless, this revolt established a local tradition of struggle against the foreign rule. The there is the resistance to the British rule claimed in the war in the first war of independence 1857, in which millions of peasant artisans and soldiers protected it, shook the British government to its very foundation. Now we will see. Now we will see causes of the first war of independence. The first 100 years of the British rule in India, example from 1757 to 1857, were marked by the British conquest and the rapid expansion of their dimension in India. The combined effect of the British expansions, police, economics explosion, and administrative change charges adversely affected all the segment of Indian society. The ruling classes were disposed of their their power. The peasantry was deprived of its land right, and the artisans lost their livelihood. The middle and upper class of Indian society, particularly in northern India, were annoyed because of their exclusion from the well-paid higher post in the administration. Men who followed cultural or religious activities like priest and a scholar found themselves without income as they lost their patrons. The Indian ruler princes and jamindars who had themselves lost their authority. The company in Indian soldiers were discontented with their low salary, hard life and hard life, the ill treatments meted out to them by the British offer. Thus, by 1857, conditions were ripe for a mass uprising, and the commanded grievance of the people burst forth in the form of the first war of independence. Next we will see political region. Thank you for watching.